Creating an app that can download and play music from your provided list. First of all, go to link provided in description. Get the Download Manager project. After downloading, go to File Manager. Extract the files. Inside it, select this archive. It is password protected. The password is SKETCHWITHJOKHIO. After extraction complete, go to SH recovery tool and restore your project using it. So here is our new project. Let's give it a new name. I would call it Music Manager because it is a fusion of two projects, one music player and second Download Manager. Let's set a pretty theme for it. Set linear 1 height 150px. Add new list view here. Move linear 2 from here to there. Add 2 new horizontal linears. And set linear 1 height to 0 because we want to hide it. Set height of list view to match parent and weight 1. Choose your theme based beautiful colors for those 3 linear views. Add an image viewer and a seek bar. Set weight to 1 of the seek bar. Add 3 text views. Leave center on empty. Set weight to 1. We will use it to show the file name. In our custom view, add an image view. Set linear orientation to horizontal. Change text color if you wish. Let's import some icons. On bind custom view, we will change color filter of our image view, so our image color will be changed. At on activity create, we are changing color filter of our pause and resume button. Then we will create 3 more blocks to create, pause and play the media player. On create, we will hide play and pause button, and we have a number variable song position, we will set it -1. Then we have 4 links of audio files, we will add them in a list string. Then we will iterate through that list string and add all values that end with .mp3 to our list map. And assign that list map to our custom list view. At our more block mp create, we have a string current path which we are setting to get external storage /our folder /file name. We will show last segment of current file in a text view where we want to show the file name, and set our image view visible which has pause play button. Then set song position to pause. Then we are creating a media player. mp is equal media player dot on create get application context URI dot from file new java.io.file current file. Recall that current file is a string variable. Then we are setting seekbar max to media player get song duration. And then we have text view 5 which we will show total song duration in minutes and seconds. At mp start, we will start our media player and change image at image view 1, and after every 400 milliseconds we will update progress at seekbar and text view how much song we have played. I have imported those more blocks from my collection, so now I have to create music player and timer component, but you have to create them before creating more blocks. At on stop block, we will simply cancel the timer component and pause media player, and then change image at image view 1. We will hide linear 2 at on create, which shows progress while downloading files. On item click list 1, we have a complex code. First we have a string named URL which we get from our list map. Then we are extracting a file name from it. Then we try to create a media player. If we fail to create, in case a possible reason we don't have file exist for which we are creating media player, then we will show a toast, hide image view1, which is play pause button, and set song position to -1 to run initial part of code when user clicks on an item from list view, and then we will start a download. Add a list string and a list map. On pre-execute in our async task, we will show linear2, which is container for progress. And on post-execute, if download is complete, we will hide linear2. At our seek bar on stop touch tracking, if song position is not equal to -1, that means media player is not null. We will adjust song position according to seek bar. If we compile and run our app now, it works fine, but there are some issues. There are some bugs. For example, we don't have backlog permission, so if we try to start a download, our app will crash. If you want to keep the backlog permission, you have to edit manifest, but I think media files are not too large, so we don't need it. I will remove it from our async task. At on click our play and pause button. If media player is running, we will pause it, else we will start it. Make sure you are saving your download files in same path where from you are trying to load audio files. Now you are all set. Compile the app, turn on internet connection and have fun. Let me delete previously downloaded files so we can check if our app works perfectly fine. For me it works good enough, but only problem is in progress indication. If we download more than one file, progress shown there below is not accurate. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. I will share this project also. Check out the description for link, and password is same as the start of the video.